Hello everyone, this is Miss Beth from the Door County Library. We are going to be talking about Beanstack today. What is Beanstack? Beanstack is a computer program that we have access to that lets you keep track of all of the reading that you've done and the activities that you do with the library over the course of the year. I'm using that during the summer for you to keep track of all of your reading and all of the activities that you do over the course of the summer. I'm going to show you on the computer how to sign up today. You would go to your app store, you would download the app, you would follow the instructions on there. This is what it looks like when you have never been in before. All right, let you sign in up here. You've got it already. This is create an account down here. It's really super easy. Register an individual or a family. If you have never done it before, that is fine. So this is how you would do that. Register a class or a group is only if your school is doing Beanstack and has challenges for you to do. So we're going to ignore this one. Register an individual or a family. Sign in. So this is me, and this says what challenges I have. The challenges I have, this is a new thing that they've got, so you can link up with other people who are also on Beanstack. Shows you the reviews you've written, all the badges you've done, and all the reading that you've logged. It's right all together. This is the current challenge. You can look and see that I've done the summer program last year, and I did the big read this year. Anything I've ignored that was an option, I did not ignore anything. So these then let you just click right into the challenge that you are already in. Looks at the overview, challenge badges, activity badges, and whatever badges you have already earned. So when it's time to do something, you just click on it and you click, and it takes you right to it. And this one here is a link to an article that you can read, and what will you try next? And then you have to put your answer in, and then you save it, and it checks it off, and it gives you your badge. So it's very, very simple to do. If I was going to add a reader, I'd just go in here. I'm an adult registering a child. So once your parent has created an account for themselves and answered all the questions, it's very, very easy. And what school? And there's all the choices. We're going to say Sturgeon Bay. And a gender, lots of options. We're going to say it's a girl. Badge unlocked. Mindfulness welcome. Would you like to add another child? No, I don't think so. That's as difficult as it is to look at these. I find it a little easier. If you have a home computer, it's easier to do it on a screen with all of the keyboard. But you know, if you're really slick with using a tablet or a phone, I think it is also very easy to sign up. And it's kind of nice for parents in particular, because their stuff is there. All the kids' stuff is right at your fingertips. You don't have to worry about where you have all of those other things. Now, of course, if you want to do paper, if that's what you want to do, we have that as an option at the library, of course, still. But I'm trying to get people to sign up for Beanstack because I think it will be fun and easy for all of you. So give it a try. Give it a try. We'll see you later. Bye-bye.